Hi, this is Kathy Campbell with Coldwell Banker, visiting here with Miles Pitcher, owner of Superior Lending in Orem, Utah. Miles is my go-to guy for all news about the economy and interest rates. We were chatting the other day about what you're seeing as far as consumer debt. You know, we're seeing a lot of the inflation is driving prices, therefore people's income is, at a level. And so you mentioned that you're seeing consumer debt higher on applications and other signs of that. Could you talk about that?
Absolutely. So unfortunately, as we are doing checkups with our clients and doing pre-qualifications for new clients, we're seeing consumer debt, which is your credit card debt, at all-time highs. In fact, the spike in consumer debt has been one of the steepest that we've ever seen in history. Wow. At the same time, we watch and measure people's personal savings, and that has really dwindled down to very low levels. And we do attribute a lot of this to the inflation that we're seeing. I'm sure you've seen how much 18 eggs cost at Walmart.
Yeah, the egg shock and gallon of gas shock. The gas is toning down a little bit, but the eggs has just been amazing.
It's crazy. Yeah. So to those who own homes, we are helping them look and see, does a debt consolidation loan help them out? Because our goal is to help them to build wealth and be in a good spot. Maybe doing a second mortgage, a home equity line of credit, or just making sure they have a plan to take care of that debt. We analyze and look at that. The ones who we're seeing that are really being hit by this super hard are seniors.
Oh yeah, income is it's set when you retire.
Yep, exactly.
And so how are they dealing with all these increased costs for groceries? You're seeing they're dwindling of savings, especially.
Exactly, yeah. And I had a lady who came and visited with me last week, and kudos to her for being able to recognize that her savings was dwindling. Her mortgage payment was consuming the majority of her income that she had, and she had a very small pension left to her from her husband and some Social Security. Nationwide, the average Social Security amount for 2023 is $1,800 a month.
It's not enough to live on.
It's not enough to live on. So what we're really working a lot with seniors right now and just evaluating, does a reverse mortgage make sense? So first, a reverse mortgage is just a way for a senior to be able to access the equity in their home, to be able to do things. And the primary reason that we see that access of equity is to eliminate their mortgage so that they can continue living in their home as long as it's their primary residence, whether till they sell it or they pass away, without ever having to make another mortgage payment while they're in there. So for this lady I helped last week, it's super beneficial because we're going to be able to eliminate her mortgage payment, free up that money, and really put her in a spot where she is cash flow positive every single month now.
So that stress is gone, that she's not going to have enough to live on.
Absolutely. The stress is gone. She was missing or lacking the ability to put a ramp into her house so that it now is a long-term home that she
could age in place and stay in her home, not have to sell.
Exactly. So let me give you some signs or if you're in this spot, you should definitely get educated about a reverse mortgage. I'm not saying it's for everyone, but if you still have a mortgage payment and we'll just use the rough number of 50% equity in your home.
Okay. And this is if they're retired?
62 and older.
62 and older.
At least one in the couple is 62 and older. Okay. Yeah, you should look at this because the ability to eliminate that monthly mortgage payment may just really free you up to be able to do some of the things you need to do. If you're on Social Security and still making a mortgage payment and you have that equity, please look into a reverse mortgage.
And may we talk about the equity? So I do that free of charge for people. You can just do an evaluation of what the homes similar to yours have been selling for around you, and we can give you a good estimate to see. I mean, when you do a reverse mortgage, there'll be an official appraisal.
Correct.
But we can help you identify if you're close to that, at least 50% equity.
Absolutely. The other reasons or signs is we have clients who look for opportunities to maybe take that reverse mortgage money and make some investments. And we're not financial advisors, but you may be able to get with a really great wealth advisor and get some additional income coming in. or buy an investment property. Or maybe you're tired of the snow and you want to pick up that great second home down in St. George.
Sounds really attractive today.
And be able to use the proceeds off of the reverse mortgage to go purchase that second home.
Okay.
So it's a great financial planning tool in addition to a debt elimination tool or relieving the stress of having a mortgage payment tool.
But it's like you said, it's not for everyone, but it is a great option if income is limited or you have other goals like this, right? So
Correct.
thank you. Well, let's hope the interest rates that the national, what is the report coming out tomorrow?
Tomorrow is the CPI,
Consumer Price Index.
Consumer Price Index,
Okay.
and we believe it's going to be a little bit lower, and we think we're going to keep seeing this all the way through next summer as inflation notches down. It's not going to be a perfect steady decline. There'll be some head fakes and a jagged line, but
okay, I like that.
but we're going to get down there.